friends, this is Kaya's Craft Shop. I'm going to do some acrylic craft flower for framework. Wait, I will be showing it. This is the flower I'm going to do now. See, this is the flower. Okay, uh, I'm going to do like this as a framework. So it will be like this. Okay, like this. Okay, stay tuned to watch this how to do this. For this you need two different colors. I have taken this from this strips. This is waste paper things. This is I've been stored for many days, and this is the plain waste paper, and it will be like a light gray color, and this is orange color I purchased in Amazon. And with the help of this acrylic sheet I'm going to do the flower. Stay tuned to watch this. See here, I have been pasted and linked into a single paper. Okay, see how it's looking like now. This color should come, this color should take using this scrolling designing. Wait, let me do it. Okay, see, okay, let me do it. Okay, now the culling is done. See how it looks like a cross. It is very soothing effect for our hand. And now this color should come inside and this color should come outside. Okay, wait, how to scroll. Hi friends, this is super curling machine. This is also I buy it in Amazon. With the help of this scrolling machine I'm going to scroll now. You just hold it here and start curling like this. See, now the curling is done. This is it's like a cross crusted shape, so it is very hard to take it out. So use gum, and before itself you paste it. Okay, let me show you how. See, put some little gum here, then you slowly paste it. Okay, then with the help of this paper or a cardboard you just take it out without making any mistake. Make it slowly. Okay, I'm getting, yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's almost done. See how it looking like this only it will look. Keep the center part aside, and I'm going to do now side feathers. Okay, for that I have taken this gray color waste paper, from this bin. Now I'm going to do a feather. Let me show you how. Okay, keep it, scroll it. Okay, take this, and with the help of this measuring scale, keep it into sixth one. Sixth one. Okay, this is very useful. Yeah, I'm so sorry, this is not sixth one. We should keep in eighth one. Sorry for the mistake. Actually I forgot. Keep it in eighth one. It's already in eighth one. Yeah, now take it out and put some glue. Make it like a, okay, like this. You have to make 5 things. Okay, let me do it. friends, I said to make five feathers like this. See, I have been done this. So now we are going to paste in this main center. Take some glue and put in a flat surface, very little, and take one feather petal and keep it here like this. And for the second one, you should keep gum in petal and aside also. Okay, then only it will be looking good and perfectly stick together. Now put here some. Likewise, you paste for entire thing. Ta-da! I have done the flower. See, now only I stick the flower like this. See, this is very nice, right? You can keep this as a, as hearing also, and you can keep it in framework also. Let me show you clearly. Friends, imagine this is a frame. You can keep this into a corner like this. You can keep another one like this. Here you can write a name or decorate with more curling flowers also. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Kaya's Craft Shop.